white screen of death on an iPhone makes it plain frustrating. Well, what happens when my iPhone screen turns white? Luckily, this is not as bad as it sounds mostly, for we will let you know 10 fantastic solutions to get around the iPhone white screen. Part 2. How to fix iPhone white screen of death. 9 solutions. Solution 1. Restart iPhone. When you find the iPhone white screen with Apple logo, the first thing to try is restarting it. Solution 2. Try the triple finger tap. To fix magnification, hold 3 fingers together and use them to double tap the screen. If the screen is magnified, this will take it back to the normal view. Next, disable the magnification by going to iPhone Settings General. Accessibility Zoom Off. Solution 3. Hard reset iPhone. My iPhone is showing a white screen with black Apple. Doing a hard reset might fix the fault. Solution 4. Use a combination of buttons. Solution 5. Turn off auto brightness. Solution 6. Get iPhone into recovery mode. This can sometimes come in really handy, especially the situation like iPhone white screen background. Solution 7. Put iPhone into DFU mode. As a great method for you to completely exclude a software problem, DFU mode iPhone is worthwhile when iPhone keeps showing a white screen with Apple logo. Solution 8. Remove iPhone battery. You can remove the battery from your iPhone if you are aware of how to take it out. Solution 9. Contact Apple Store for support. Part 3. How to fix iPhone white screen with no data loss. Ultimate solution. Don't want to try the cumbersome methods one by one. Simple, turn to the ultimate solution, please. A specialized tool like iOS System Recovery allows you to resolve iPhone white screen with Apple logo in foolproof clicks.